Hey guys, welcome back to Pinch of Pink Salt. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and if this is your first time here, welcome to our kitchen. We're happy to have you. Today we're going to be making a really simple 2-ingredient recipe, coconut condensed milk. Let's get into it. So in a small saucepan on about medium heat, we're going to add in full fat coconut milk. We're going to add in our sweetener. I'm just using plain white sugar because that's what I have on hand. And we are going to mix this until the sugar is completely dissolved. Now, while watching the pot, we are going to occasionally come back and mix it just to make sure that the mixture does not stick to the bottom of the pot. And we're going to continue to mix this until we get a consistency that looks like this, okay? It's still a little runny, but it is kind of thick, like a syrup, like condensed milk, okay? So once we get that consistency, we are going to remove it from the flame, let it cool down just a little bit, and now it's ready to use. You can store this in your fridge in an airtight container for about a week, and I love using condensed milk in coffee, tea, desserts, things that need some sweetening but I still want a little milkiness in it. I love adding a little coconut condensed milk. I love adding a little coconut condensed milk. So that's it, guys. That was the recipe. I mean, I can barely call it a recipe because it is literally 2 ingredients. It is so simple to make. I really hope you guys give this recipe a try. And if you do, let me know in the comments below. If you haven't already, definitely give us a like, share this recipe with a friend, subscribe to our channel. Like I said, we put out new videos every single week. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as we put out a new video. Until next time, guys, have a great day. Bye.